The next thing that I wanted to talk about is, as part of the assembly, is the connectors is very important. And as many of the things that we do in HyperMesh, we define them as engineering entities. That's what we call them. So it has a generic definition. It can generate it by looking, the CAD, or if you already have their locations, we tell them which parts they connect, and they have a control which allows them to realize based on that control. So the same connector can become, a beam or a solid element or a combination of things, as you will see in the next example that I have. This is a differential, and in this example, I'm defining the locations of the bolts that connect the cover to the body of the diff. And here we're picking a solid representation, for our connectors. We want the bolt to be like a solid bolt, there. And we go ahead and say realize it. So now it generates, those solid elements. But it not only did that, because we told it to do more. So in this case, it created a pretensioner because there's a pressure clamping those things, together. So it creates the pretensioning force. Also, because this is now a solid bolt, there's contacts there. So we also told him to go ahead and generate the contacts between the head of the bolt and the cover, and also the contacts for the threads of the bolt and the casing. So our connector generates not just, the connection, but everything it needs for the particular, case to be, realized.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. If you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.